morning, guys. Today I'm going to cook chicken adobo with pineapple and egg. So here are the ingredients. First the onions, then the garlic, then some sugar, then the bay leaves, then the peppercorns, some green onions, some nor cubes, some pineapples, and water, then the vinegar, and the soy sauce, and then the canola oil, and the raw chicken, then the boiled egg. Open the stove and heat the pan. Then I'm going to put some oil, then put the garlic, then the chicken. So I'm going to cover the pan for 2 minutes. I will open the pan and then flip the chicken. Then we can add the other ingredients. Soy sauce in the chicken. And I will add also the vinegar. And also the water. Then the peppercorn. And the bay leaves. Then I'll also put the nor cube so it will be tastier. Then I'll add the spring onions. Then I'll put the rest of the garlic in the chicken. Then I'll add the sugar. I'll put the onion in the chicken. Then we will mix it. So after that, I will increase the fire and cover the pot. So while waiting 10 minutes, I will put these dishes in the basin. After 10 minutes, we will check the chicken and add the pineapple. Smells yummy. I'm hungry right now. Now we will cover it for 5 minutes and ready to serve. Let me check if the chicken is good. Now here's our chicken adobo ready to serve. Guys, here's my chicken adobo. It's ready for plating. Ta-da! Here's my chicken adobo. Let's eat!